Hello everyone, I'm Upashna along with my friend Pramay. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to a groundbreaking project that aims to revolutionize accessibility for the visually impaired individuals. Welcome to Sightrix, an innovative AI-powered virtual assistant designed to empower the visually impaired community. Visually impaired individuals encounter numerous challenges when using computer systems, impacting their productivity and independence. Traditional screen readers provide some assistance, but still rely heavily on keyboard and mouse inputs, creating barriers to accessibility.
That's where Sightrix comes in. Our project aims to enhance the independence and accessibility of technology for visually impaired individuals by providing them with an intuitive virtual assistant capable of controlling their computer systems through voice commands.
Sightrix utilizes advanced voice command technology, enabling users to perform a variety of tasks hands-free, whether it's sending emails, checking the weather, or playing music. Sightrix is designed to cater to the specific needs of visually impaired users.
By removing the barriers to using computers faced by the visually impaired, Sightrix could significantly improve their ability to work, learn, and communicate through digital means. It's not just about accessibility, it's about empowerment and inclusion.
Sightrix aligns with several sustainable development goals, including promoting good health and well-being, quality education, decent work and economic growth, and industry innovation and infrastructure.
Sightrix leverages cutting-edge AI technologies like computer vision for face unlock functionality and will use natural language processing for voice-based control. These technologies enable a seamless and intuitive user experience for visually impaired individuals.
The Sightrix virtual assistant combines a range of AI and software technologies to create a powerful and accessible tool for visually impaired users. From face unlock to controlling applications, Sightrix offers a user-friendly solution tailored to the needs of its users.
So this is the sample generator file which we will use to generate the samples to train our model. So I will execute this file first. It is asking me for a numeric user ID. Since I am the first user, I will enter 1 here and then click enter, and it will now take samples from my face through the camera. So now it has completed taking all the samples and the execution is complete. These are the files which it has recorded from the camera. So now we will train our model from the model trainer file. We will execute this and it will return a trainer.yml file in this trainer folder after training my model through the sample images. So this is the trainer.yml file. And finally, we will execute our virtual assistant. So this is the main file. I will execute this. So this is the GUI of our application. And now I will start the application.
Verification successful. Welcome back, sir.
Wake up.
Good evening, sir. I am Sightrix. How can I help you?
What is my location?
Please wait, sir. I am checking your location. Sir, I am not sure, but I think you are in Rourkela of Odisha.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Send email.
What should I say in the email?
This is a test email.
What should I write in the subject of the email?
Sample email.
To whom should I send the email?
Friend.
Email has been sent successfully.
So as you can see that it has sent this email, sample email and test email. Start meeting.
Sending invitations to employees. Starting meeting.
Automatically start the meeting. Turn off my camera and then click on the join now button to add me to the meeting. So it has also successfully sent the emails to the employees regarding the meeting, online meeting. It has sent the meeting link and the message that please join the online meeting. So there are other functionalities as well, like opening the terminal, file explorer, getting your IP address, then searching in the Wikipedia, opening other websites, playing a song on YouTube, etc. Visually impaired users are at the heart of our project, but stakeholders also include developers, organizations, regulators, etc. Moving forward, we see immense potential for Sightrix to evolve and expand its impact incorporating more features and reaching even more users.
We understand the ethical and privacy concerns associated with facial recognition technology, and we are committed to address them through responsible use and transparent policies.
Sightrix has the potential to make a significant impact not only for visually impaired individuals, but also in other industries. With continued development and innovation, we aim to broaden its applications and reach even more people in need of accessible technology.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to empower the visually impaired community with Sightrix. Together, we can make technology more accessible and inclusive for everyone.